Hey guys, I have a different kind of box today, a subscription to BarkBox. This is the first one that we've gotten, so we're gonna find out what's in it. This is my son Mason, he's 21, and Oliver actually belongs to him, unfortunately. He's gonna take him away from me one day.
You can't have him.
I know. Oliver was 7 months old yesterday. He's a Goldendoodle, and he weighs 37 pounds now. He's been gaining weight. Oh, okay, he wants to chew on the box. You ready to see what's in it? Here, let me adjust this. Okay. What does it say? Oh, it has like little hearts on it. Oh, you want to know? Oh.
He's interested.
Okay, let them see too, Oliver. Oh my goodness. It's like
A nerd toy?
It's a Halloween theme, isn't it? Or is it not? No, this isn't Halloween. This is like hearts. And it's like...
It's take a prom pic.
Take a prom pic? He got a prom box? Look at this toy. That is so cute, but you know, Mason doesn't go to prom anymore.
And it came with a cutout breakaway bow tie to put on your dog's collar.
I made out of paper.
Yeah, I made out of paper. We actually have a real bow tie there for him.
Look, he likes it. Does it squeak?
Yeah, squeaks.
You know what? I can feel, I've heard that some of their toys are meant to be destroyed.
It feels strong.
But the squeaker's really big and kind of spiky, so once he destroys the toy, he can play with the spiky bottle on the inside. Okay. And another toy. What is this? He likes it. Whatever it is. Oh, you can squeak it, huh? What is that?
It looks like a bowl of something. What?
Well, he likes it, whatever it is. I have no idea. And I know he's gonna like this. It says Deluxe Lamb Chew. Hearty chew for dogs.
So if that's a deluxe lamb chew, what is like a common lamb chew?
I don't know.
Like a basic lamb chew.
Who knows? Okay, these look good.
Omega strips.
Contains omega-rich
Is it?
ingredients, grain-free treats for dogs. Let's see if he likes it. I'll show y'all. You want to try one?
I'll do some tricks.
Okay, sit. Good boy. Shake. Shake. Good boy. There you go. That's a big treat.
That is a big treat.
You like it?
And then we got some Wagon Wallflowers.
Wagon Wallflowers with the prom theme. Are they smaller?
Yeah.
Okay, they're like little wafer things.
Should I open this one?
Sure.
He's still chewing on that first one. Wheat, corn, and soy free. Soft and chewy.
Want to? He's gonna have all his...
Oliver. Oh, you like that, huh? Sit. Down. Oliver, down. Roll over. Roll over. Oh, I guess you can't roll over here, but down. Good boy. Yeah.
Good boy. Well, I think he liked it. It was a lot of fun. I went ahead and... Oh, look. His legs kind of... You can use his legs as a tug-of-war toy.
What?
His legs. Okay, well, I'm going to put my link below if you want to sign your dog up for BarkBox. You can sign up. You pay for it all up front, so it's not like a monthly fee. And the price is determined by how many months you sign up for. So I went ahead and did 12 months, which turned out to be $20 per month. Okay, guys, well, thanks for watching. I'll have a new clothing subscription box coming up in a few days. I ordered a fashion box. So if you want to watch that, hit subscribe, and if you liked our video, click the thumbs up. Thanks for watching.